Hey all, this is Rahul from Way to Automation. So this is my first video in 2020. I wanted to come live and say a very happy new year 2020 to you and your family members, and would like to share some of our achievement that we have made in 2019 and the new things that we are targeting in 2020. So the biggest achievement that we made is that we have crossed 300,000. Yes, that is 3 lakh students across globe in our various automation courses. So if I show you my screen, so you can see like on Udemy itself, we are currently uh, more than 1,40,000 students are enrolled in 9 of my courses over here, right? We have also launched a couple of new courses in 2019 in which API automation using REST assured API was launched in September 2019 and is now a bestseller course in market. So we have also started live classes on Selenium with Python as the demand of Python is growing like anything these days due to AI and machine learning coming into the picture, right? So the other thing, the Selenium course that we have introduced a long time back is now biggest Selenium course in the market to cover many live projects. Like if you look over here, even this course, you can see the enrollments are like there are over like 1,26,000 students enrolled in this course and enjoying the learning from this course. So this is the first level of the Selenium course that I have launched a long time back, and I recently upgraded this course to latest Selenium 3 and even the Selenium 4 version, which is currently at the Alpha 3 stage. So this course, if you just a moment, if you look over here, all major utilities that you need to work, you need to get started in automation, not just related to Selenium. If you talk about like mobile platform is another big thing in the industry these days. So there are automation tools for mobile applications as well, in which Appium is another popular mobile automation tool that is covered in these courses. So all the utilities which are required like Jenkins, GitHub, Docker, cloud integration, all these things you're gonna find it in this basic course. And then there are some live projects covered over here. So this is like the first level of the Selenium course. In the second level of the course, even if you go down, like you'll see, I mean, you can see the students feedback over here. So this course has got somewhere around 5,000 plus 5-star rating, and like students are really active in this course. They ask a lot of questions and queries, and I really like to I really like responding them on their queries. So you can try going through this and try going through the reviews of this course as well. And this is the second part of it, where I named it as Automation Architect with 7 live projects. This is because in this course, I'm focusing majorly on the framework designing part. So there are 7 live projects covered in this course with all major frameworks that are in demand in current industry. So like the data driven with the grid implementation for parallel execution, then page objects with page factory, Cucumber, then some extended level of page objects with factory, including Java generics, multi-threading, parallel execution. So then Cucumber again with the parallel execution. So this is one of the unique course in the industry to cover 7 live projects. right? And these frameworks, if you have a very good hands-on on these framework, you can use them not only with the UI automation, not just with Selenium. You can use the frameworks with API automation using REST assured. You can use it with mobile automation using Appium, and like any Java integrated framework, you can implement all these seven live projects, right? So again, it's a huge content that you can go through over here. What all things, Dockers, and what all things that are covered uh, in this course. So you need to know. I mean, if you are comfortable with all these things, then you should be able to master the framework designing concepts. And we have also like taken a lot of corporate trainings, like face-to-face interactive sessions. If you go through the website way2automation.com, in the about us section, you'll see there are many trainings that we have delivered in various organizations, in NIT Technologies, at Striker and Wipro. uh, like we have attended some Selenium conferences. That was way long back, right? But yeah, I mean, there's a classroom training program as well, where a lot of students who are actually participating in these courses and taking benefit from these courses. And coming 2020, our goal is to introduce more demanding courses as per industry need, which are majorly related to Python itself. So we are targeting to cover the automation on all part, like web, mobile, APIs, even desktop, through the Python part in coming year. So there are many new video series that we are going to introduce very soon in 2020 itself. And the best part of these courses will be that they will be available 70% free on our YouTube channel. And for rest 30%, you need not to spend 9,000 or 10,000 bucks just for the video library. You can buy them for even less than 1000 rupees or 15 USD, with 100 plus hours of live training recordings on different projects. So I'll be sharing all these links in the summary, so that you can go through and can take benefit from these courses. Now, all this happened just because of your support, your reviews you have given, and I really look forward to give my best contribution to the industry as much as I can. So that's about it, and don't miss to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, so that you'll get immediate updates on the new video launches that I'm going to make in 2020. Thank you.